Does your mouth always feel dry, even after drinking water? It might be more than just thirst. A persistently dry mouth could be a sign of an underlying health issue. Hello and welcome to NutriVibe. In this video, you'll learn what causes dry mouth, the symptoms to watch for, and simple ways to relieve it. What is dry mouth? Dry mouth, also called xerostomia, happens when your salivary glands don't produce enough saliva. Saliva is essential because it helps you chew, swallow, speak, protect your teeth, and fight bacteria. Common causes: dehydration, side effects of medications, diabetes, mouth breathing, smoking or alcohol use, stress and anxiety, salivary gland disorders. Symptoms: sticky or dry feeling in the mouth, constant thirst, bad breath, difficulty chewing or swallowing, cracked lips, sore throat or hoarse voice. How to relieve dry mouth: drink water regularly throughout the day. Chew sugar-free gum to stimulate saliva. Avoid smoking, alcohol, and excessive caffeine. Use a humidifier at night if needed. Practice good oral hygiene. When to see a doctor: if your dry mouth lasts for several weeks, becomes severe, or is accompanied by frequent urination, unexplained weight loss, or swelling of the salivary glands, seek medical evaluation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others. Stay healthy with NutriVibe.